Hello friends. You are watching a video from the Amazing Garden channel. I bought a house for myself, and with it came anthills as a gift. And now I have to fight them. I have already shown on my channel a great way to fight ants with powdered sugar and boric acid. But in the comments under that video, many wrote to me that there is a great way to rid your garden of ants with regular Coca Cola. So I decide to check it out and share the result with you. At the same time, we will check whether they should take their word for it, because I will now show it in practice. I bought a 2-liter Coca Cola, and in its composition there are 2 ingredients that should rid us of ants. First, there is a lot of sugar in Coca Cola, which will have a gluing effect against ants. And the second is orthophosphoric acid, which is supposed to destroy the ants in the anthill. Well, let's not waste time and start getting down to business. As you can see, as soon as I started pouring Coca Cola into the anthill, the ants immediately ran in and began to panic. I tried to pour Coca Cola into the center of the anthill. Because I know that on top of the anthill these are worker ants, and it's no use fighting with them because the uterus will give birth again. And for this it is necessary to destroy it, and then the anthill will die, and the ants will leave your yard forever. That's just sugar with boric acid and allow you to achieve this effect. Because ants bring sugar with boric acid to the uterus and feed it. And she dies. And you will find this video on my channel in the ants playlist. As you can see, Coca Cola has caused a lot of damage to the anthill. Many ants do not move because their paws are glued together by sugar from Coca Cola. Well, now I'll give them time and check whether they will leave this anthill or not. And 2 days later I came back to the anthill and saw such a picture. Ants live as if nothing has happened and are not going to leave their home. And from this we can draw a conclusion. That Coca Cola can't help you get rid of ants. Therefore, if you come across information on the internet or YouTube that Coca Cola perfectly eliminates ants, then know that this is not true. And I will continue to check other ways to get rid of ants and share my experiments with you. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. And don't miss the release of new videos. And that's it for me. See you in the next video.